Yeah, man, if you've seen them in some movies and people say, when they do an oath, and they say, I swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help me God, well, sort of. So it's not always easy to come clean, you know, when you're trying to make an amazing first impression. I feel like the first impression, you should have just let it rip.
Hard
if
out.
they can survive the first impression, then we're cool afterwards. But after you tell a lie on the first impression, you just have to keep adding to that and do it. And then it fades. And then the person is like, oh, this is not who I met, so I'll just go.
Also true, but if you tell lie, it's a lot of work to remember, right? If you tell the truth, it just is. But if you're caught in this lie of who you are and you're telling lies who you are, you have to remember the lies you told, and it's like...
I think if you see the worst of me and you're okay with that, then we can...
Yeah, man. And
then the best of me is coming right afterwards. That's how I look at it.
I like that theory.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
So
here are some things you shouldn't lie about. Your physical appearance. What you say, kid? What you say?
But how are you going to lie about your physical appearance?
People, those who over hair straight and long like the river mummer. Those who for makeup give them like a different skin tone than the actual skin tone.
Okay. Because I was going to say what you see is what you get, but I'm foolish because...
push up. Give them a push up more than it really push up.
Those who for pow is, not necessarily. The day I learned that pow could buy in shop, I was shocked.
Really?
Yeah. A friend of mine.
Pow buy in a shop long time.
No, like the popo with the popo built into the popo.
Buy in a shop long time. They just never told everybody that it was
like with the big popo pouch.
Long time. Trust me, I'll tell you. A plastic surgeon told me the secret, and I'll tell you what it's been. That's been fooling a lot of us, and I see the patterns. I believe them.
And it's not surgery?
No, it is, but they pretend like it's not.
Oh, right.
So like, it's coming.
Right.
You see a lot of activity happening. I'm at the gym, or I'm on a new diet, or I'm going to do this. So when you see it afterwards, you say, oh my God, you work so hard. With Smile Jamaica, we interviewed a plastic surgeon. When Carl Francis was the producer, she took us there. That man taught me some things, boy. I was like, sir, you got to be blind.
Well, for the people who don't want to go under the knife, and if you do, that's fine too, because if it makes you feel good about yourself, then why not?
Yeah.
You can literally buy the pow in the store.
Sculpt the way you want to look.
Right. Okay.
The challenge with that, and this says it, if you can't accept yourself for who you are, then how can you expect anyone else to? My challenge is so everybody have a different likeness for a different thing. So my challenge is when you go under the knife, you really have to really like yourself, because you can change an entire body and then people still not like it.
And your head still not right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you're going to say, boy, I go through all of this and there's the guy I like. And him say, well, not really, that's not really my style. Me not like. So you have to love yourself, whether you're going to the knife or not.
Correct. And also, if you're going to pow, there's a point where you have to be honest about it, because if you go home and you're literally taking off your derriere, that's a problem.
Hurricane lovers. Patrick Brown wrote a play about it.
Taking off your lash and then
she took off the wig, she took out the bottom. So honeymoon night.
The honeymoon night she did that?
Yes.
So what happened?
That's the hurricane lovers.
You need to tell me what happened after that.
Yeah, and they're saying, especially some of you go on online and you catfish people. You put up a fake photo, hoping that the person is gonna fall so deeply in love with you that when them see you, them not gonna care what you look like. It's never worked. So, because they feel like you've lied, so it don't even matter. The trust is gone.
From the beginning.
2, mental health. This one's interesting.
Critical. No one is ever perfect, and everybody faces some kind of problem at some point in their life. They may seem happier today, but you don't know their past. If you know you are going through any kind of depression or stress, then acknowledge it and don't hide from it. Remember, problems are solved when you summon the courage to face them and not when you try to run away from them, although you never can.
Yeah, mental wellness is
Yeah.
very important. Very important.
Yeah.
Your feelings. Don't lie about your feelings with your partner. Whether you feel that your love for your partner is fading away or there's a bridge you can't not gap, then you should not stop yourself from expressing your feelings to your partner without any hesitation. You see the challenges?
This one, Hardy?
Yeah, because people are like, me not feel it, you know, but if I say me not feel it, then they may say, well, we're done. And I'm not sure I want it to done. I just don't know if I'm feeling it. But guess what? It's a selfish thing. Because at least in your mind, you have worked out in your head what it is, so that if it doesn't work out, you had already worked that out in your mind that I'm not feeling this. Your partner would just be totally taken off guard. So it's only right to say, listen, I'm not feeling this right now. I'm hoping that we won't end, but be honest. And let them decide.
It is the worst thing, I think, to have somebody get up and walk out of a relationship without any indication that their partner was unhappy. I think it's the worst thing you can ever do to somebody. And then you have them wondering what they did.
Yeah, man.
But obviously, or in large part, or in many instances, you made a decision because of something that you felt was lacking. I mean, I think basic honesty is an obligation in a relationship. And if you're at a point in your mind where you feel like this is not working, then that discussion is something that you
some people move on, like they move on to another relationship
right away.
Like while you and them in a relationship, they've moved on and they're testing that relationship to see if that one is working. And now that they're comfortable that that one is working, then they say, okay, this one not working for me. And it really is a selfish.
It's terrible. And then that other person is stuck.
Yeah.
It's really not a good thing to do.
Talk up. You might surprise you say something not work and them say, oh my God, thank you for saying it. That not working for me either. And then both of you can fix it. You know? But have the conversation.
Absolutely.
Don't lie to your doctor. You can't lie to your doctor.
What do you mean you can't lie to your doctor?
You can.
If you smoke pot, drink excessively, or do anything that is affecting your health, and then you decide to hide it from your doctor, then my friend says this article, you are not solving anything but only inviting more trouble. A doctor is not a wizard who will know all your problems automatically. If there's something wrong with you, don't be shy to tell it to your parents. Okay, I don't know. Or a doctor.
Listen, tell the doctor. The doctor is on the oath. The doctor, no right, Darrell? Dr. Daly, hello, Dr. Bassel. The doctor is beholden to keep the information. So tell your doctor. But also, they're correct. The doctor can't help you if you're not telling. So you're going to eat one sitting full of corn pork and you know the salt and of your pressure. And you're going in front of the doctor and him say, why is your blood pressure so high?
I have no idea.
And he's, me don't know, doctor, me not stress out nor nothing. You know, some of them want me asleep. Me really don't know. And you know, so you name a whole bowl of corn pork and the salt and of your pressure. Come on, man.
Don't do it.
Don't do it.
Because if you can't be honest with the doctor can't help you.
The doctor really want to look on you and say, why you do it? Why you do it? Doc, why you do it? Sugar level high. Why is your sugar level high? Me don't know, doc. I pure water me I drink. I know from come to eye water how much sweet something you drink and eat.
I know people like that.
The gynecologist asks certain things, right? Dr. Daly, Michael Abrams here with me on this one, Dr. Madden, and you say no. No.
You know the doctors know though, right?
They know.
Doctors
they just
be
don't
like,
want to call you out. Because they ask the question.
Really?
Listen, they already know. They already know.
They
They're
know.
asking the question because they want to now tell you.
They know.
Yes? Because them no want to say, because you do so-and-so, why so-and-so? So the doctor said, did you so-and-so? They're giving you an opportunity to say, yeah. And them say, okay, that might be the problem. But them say, did you so-and-so? And you say, no.
No.
The doctor said, all right,
Wasn't me, not at all,
since you
Doc.
tell lie.
Doc, you know I'm always on the straight and narrow. Right.
Well, this last one.
Your job application. Photoshopping your offer letter or your last salary statement is one of the top-rated scams that job applicants are being accused of these
Why
days.
would you do that, though?
What?
Photoshop. But I understand that.
And degree and certification you say you have and you really don't have it?
Yes, Simone. A lot of that happens.
But companies are hiring people, companies are hiring companies to dig into your background. They're looking through your, so they're gonna find out.
They are? Here in Jamaica?
Yes.
I know a lot of
Well, the ones with whom I've worked,
what a coffin now.
have rigor. You know, I cannot, it got dark in here. Did anybody see trees a while ago? It feels shadish, you know. Anyway, don't do that, guys. Don't do it. If you lie and you are caught, there is no work in there for you. That is very embarrassing. And then people are going to charge you with fraud and all these things.
HR, and when I say R, I don't mean RJR, but in general, our HR just doesn't do enough.
Really?
Checking. Yes.
I think we have gotten better with that in recent years. Apparently David is not listening.
David, sit up, honey.
All right, that's it for girl. You go on sup. Philly Culture up next. Ray and Neville, White Overproof from makes a big announcement. We'll be right back.